Hi, I'm Kathy Martin, author of the blog Skippy's Vegetable Garden, a journal about my sustainable garden. I'm here in my backyard in Belmont, Massachusetts, and I'm going to show you how to plant black-seeded Simpson lettuce. Lettuce likes to be planted in nice cool weather. You can put this in as early in the spring as you can work the soil. I'm going to plant here. I've added some compost that I've made from my kitchen waste and yard trimmings. Lettuce likes a fairly rich soil, so I added 2 inches of compost and turned it under. I'm going to draw a furrow with a trowel, and then I'm going to plant the seeds. Lettuce seeds keep quite well, so you can save your extra seed from year to year. So the lettuce has black seeds, and I'm going to plant it in a furrow here. Can't see it at all as it goes in there, but I'm sprinkling in about 1 seed every, say, 1/4 inch. It'll come up pretty dense, and I will then thin the seedlings and eat them, the small seedlings. Let's cover the seed row, pat it down a bit, and then label the row. Here's a 6-pack of some black-seeded Simpson seedlings. I've showed you how to plant black-seeded Simpson lettuce. I'm Kathy Martin, author of the blog Skippy's Vegetable Garden, a journal of my sustainable garden. Enjoy your sustainable garden and grow some healthy vegetables.